Welcome to the next installment of Burger Bites with Todd. In today's video, we'll answer the question, what is the best way to make burger patties out of ground beef?
Today I'm going to make burger patties, and I want to make third-pound burgers. So I'm going to divide this up roughly into thirds, and I'm going to make a handmade patty with it. And I just want to make sure that I get a nice mix of that burger. So I'm going to hand squeeze it kind of like I'm making a meatball, and then flatten it out on the plate. If you want burgers that are more well done, you can make them thinner. If you want burgers like I do that are going to still be pink in the middle, you can leave them a little bit thicker. If you're finding that your burgers fall apart on you on the grill, it means you just haven't kneaded them together enough like I'm doing here. Once you knead them together like that and flatten them, you shouldn't have any problem keeping them together when you grill them.
Thank you for watching today's Burger Bite with Todd. If you have additional questions, feel free to reach out to us through our website at bluenestbeef.com, on our Facebook page, or by simply leaving a comment below. Please be sure to like this video and subscribe to hear more Burger Bites with Todd. Also, check out these additional videos to learn more today.